This is the RV lock. It has a number pad where we can key in a custom code that will unlock our door, but it also has a key fob that we'll be able to lock and unlock it with. And then it also says that it's a 10-minute easy install, so we'll see if Michael can live up to their standards or not. Keyless entry, a lot of RVers speak really highly of it, and so we decided to go with this one. We will link to it in the description if you want to check it out for yourself.
So the other great thing about the RV lock brand is you can actually get locks for multiple things within your RV, such as your pass-through and your storage doors. So we're gonna see how this one goes, and we'll probably invest in some of those as well. And the great thing is they can all be keyed together, so it'll all be linked together with one key system. The instructions say it's gonna take 10 minutes to get this done. Really, it's just 6 screws. You got 4 in the front here and 2 on the strike plate. Just gotta pull those off, put this in, feed the wire through. So we're gonna go ahead and test out that install time. I don't think it's even gonna take 10 minutes. I think it's gonna be faster than that. And I'm gonna be using a drill. If you do use a drill, make sure you don't over tighten your screws. So I've got it set to the lowest setting, so there's no resistance on it, so it won't over tighten anything. So we'll go ahead and set a timer, and let's see how long this takes us. So one thing that always comes as a shock to new RV owners is that RVs are keyed the same. That means if somebody has the same RV as you, their key will work in your door. So we highly recommend the first thing anyone does when they get a new RV is to upgrade their lock system. Make sure you follow along for more RV tips and tricks. So there you go, all done. Looks like it took about 6.5 minutes, so definitely came in under their 10-minute time. Everything seems to be functional on it. One thing I did figure out, as you may have seen, is you can't use the screws that come with the RV. They are threaded a little bit differently than the ones that come with the lock, so you do want to make sure you swap out with the old screws with the new screws. So besides that, everything seems to be functional. I think we're good to go. One other thing they don't tell you in the instructions, after you finished installing it, in order to program the fob, you have to put in the default code, and then it says to press the lock button, and that should program it. Which, it wasn't working for me, but what I found is there's a little button here that says fob learn, and a switch. So the switch was already on, but it still wasn't working. But I ended up pressing that little button. I got a little tiny screwdriver, pushed it, and it beeped at me. Then I did the code, pressed lock, and it beeped, and everything works now.
So a little pro tip we just learned is that the RV lock people recommend keeping these hard keys that come with the lock in your vehicle or somewhere outside the RV. That way, if the electronic component of the lock fails, you can still get into your rig.